Yes, well, went for the purple valve stems and went for purple pedals.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Because I thought, well, I'm going to accent the frame, and it is probably going to be flow riding it. She does love a bit of purple.
Oh, good.
So, I think it's only one. No, I think it might be the bigger one. The reason being, I think this is for an eighth of an inch straight. And then, oh, well, there you go.
Well, it's
the hammer.
yeah. Have you got your steel toe caps on?
Oh, that's a good point. Well done. Spanners on the way. The question I'm pondering is what to do with the whole point of me ordering it was for the nozzle. Nuisance. It's a nuisance.
So I'd hate that to be. I've got an arrow for directionality.
Alright.
It's tiny. Yeah, it could be held in by these three. This one. Slide straight through. I think it's going to be completely drama free.
You're right. On the BB spanner,
Yeah.
you've got your pre-tension up
Swirlies.
on the other end.
Okay, yeah, no, that will work, and then
If you
oh, yeah, I think it is, yeah. And I've also done it.
now,
Oh, did you get the crown racer?
I sort of did, but not all the way down. This will be an interesting. Let's see how many spaces we do or do not need.
Because I've never installed one of those.
No, neither have I. Thankfully, because the forks I've bought have always been like used at some stage.
Oh, there we go.
Jess,
I'm alright.
I will have.
Drink miso soup. Do you like some mushroom soup?
I'm alright, but I'm not really makes any difference to that. Just wait for this.
So you are a confident man.
Or do a 10.
No, I'll be the same mind. Well done. Because I have no sensation,
Yeah.
then I didn't realise. boost, not your non-boost, just your boost.
Just your boost, yeah. I was concerned for a moment. It's lighter as well.
Yeah. Put the wheel in first, slide it up from the bottom down, go in a bit, now bring it up so that the holes on each side of the wheel line up with the holes on the pipe. Alright, so get the tools, and I think you have got it through okay. Okay, well done. High fivers. Sliding in nice and smooth. Okay, so you're not holding it. Okay, now that the teenager has left, we can see that we've got the cassette on, we've got the derailleur on. I don't think anything's got cross-threaded, but that's only a hope. Getting the dropper post cable through, but we've got to take the ferrule end off on the other end, and she can't do it, so we'll have to pause there and hope that Caroline has the patience to help me out in a bit. Anyway. It was less stressful or more stressful than I thought it might be. Not quite sure which. But we're getting there. We're getting there. It's almost a bike. says no.
Oh, I'll accept it. It's fine now.